don't know if you saw this, Will. Amazon got in trouble with some logo icon update.
No.
I never even saw this thing. Apparently, okay, so if you scroll down, the logo or the icon on the left,
Oh.
they say it looked like Hitler's mustache over there. That's
This?
the one on the left. Like a mustache, like the short
Because
mustache
yeah,
top the smiley face.
the blue.
Now, it was supposed to be indicative of like the seal, of like the tape.
Sure. Yeah.
And of course, you know, people, it's 2021. It's going to, if
So
they, if
this one looked more Hitler
that's what they said.
than this one?
Oh, you feel like they didn't fix it at all?
No.
Oh, okay. That was their way of fixing it. The one on the right. It's a slight update because, I mean, you can see some of the tweets over here. And people were having a laugh on it. They quietly tweaked it.
You know what? Yeah, the one on the left does look
More like a mustache, right?
Sure,
Because you
yeah.
see how they shrunk it this way, first of all, and then they lifted one edge. Like, you don't have a mustache that does that goes diagonal over there on the side.
Unless you're being extra.
Oh, that's a lot of work, man. That's some next level
Appealing mustache.
type of. Now the crazy part about this, and they mention it in the article here, is that mustache, people had that mustache before Hitler, but then Hitler had it, and then nobody could ever have it after that. It's crazy how that can work. Or like, you talk about symbols and things like this. It's like once it hits a certain thing, it's like no, we're done with that. Nobody's gonna use it. I mean, even you got Charlie Chaplin over here. Even, I mean, it even looks weird to see him with that, doesn't it? And he had it first. He had it first. Before Hitler.
Yeah.
And still you look at that now and you're like, oh man. Interesting. But I guess he was doing an act. I don't know that he wore a mustache outside of the act because I see some pictures of him.
Yeah, without
it.
mustache.
Anyway, it's crazy. You know, Amazon doesn't want to be associated with it, so they went in there and they quietly tweaked it. I think we have a quote over here. Amazon spokesperson. Amazon is always exploring new ways to delight our customers. We designed the new icon to spark anticipation, excitement, and joy when customers start their shopping journey on their phone, just as they do when they see our boxes on their doorstep. They want to spark anticipation, excitement, and joy, and nothing else. No thoughts of any violence and evil and world wars, and they don't want to be, so they just tweak it. And they're like, all right, fine. Is this better now? But I don't know. You didn't see it at first, but
No, it took me, a little bit.
but other people
I
did.
see it.
And you know how that goes. It's like the top comment effect. It's like if you're the first one to notice it, and then you publish that to Twitter, and people are like, oh yeah, and then retweet, and then it just flows, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It just flows, doesn't it? So anyway, quiet little tweak from Amazon.